welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I believe this is the first update for the Panner's Pan. This is a project that was created by Liz, also known as Cookie Pans on Instagram. She's an amazing panner. She's an amazing woman. And I hear she's an amazing mother too. She's got a youngster, a very young one. I kind of miss my kids being that age, but this isn't about her life. This is about her project. The Panner's Pan is a project that pays homage to your favorite panners. The original idea was to pick 10, though some people have picked less, which is cool. You kind of have to tailor it to make it work for you. To pick 10 panners and pick a product that reminds you of that particular panner. And I love the idea of this project because our community is amazing, and I really like highlighting some of my favorite panners. I also like watching other people's videos as they introduce me to panners that I just haven't discovered yet. I have actually picked up quite a few channels on YouTube and some people on Instagram that I didn't even realize they existed until this project started, and I think that is one of the best parts about this entire project. And, you know, it just highlights this amazing community. It really does. So I started with 10, and it started on September 1st, and it is like rolling, ongoing. You can do it as long as you want. As soon as you finish a product, you pick a new panner, pick a new product, or you could be crazy like Paula, and you could do it progressive, that even if she doesn't finish a product or reach her goal on a product for someone, she's going to roll a new person in anyway. Love Paula to pieces, but she's nuts. She's absolutely nuts. Y'all think I'm crazy. She's way more crazy than I am. And she's one of my panners in here, so of course I had to bring her up. All right, so let's get into the products and my progress, because I do not have any empties, and I wasn't really thinking when I started this that some of these products that are extremely hard, I probably should have put usage goals instead of just to finish, because that's where my mind had always been in the past. And I guess when this was brought to me, I hadn't kind of changed my philosophy on this year yet. So there's some things that are going to take forever and a day. And I guess I kind of want to say that because I would like to know your feelings. Should I set usage goals on some of these really hard products, or should I just continue forth and try to finish them, and they may be in here for 6 months or longer? Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will definitely take that into consideration for the next update. And if there is a product that you think I should change to a usage, let me know how many uses you think I should put on that. And I will try to remember to tally uses until the next update, so if anything gets changed to a usage goal, then I will already have some tallies towards that. All right, I think I explained it all. Let's get into the people, into the panners. The first one, of course, is Amanda. I've known her, I've met her in life, in real life, even though we live quite a distance away. I talk to her every single day. She's my girl. She's my girl, and I can't wait for her to come back to social media, but I digress. For her, I chose this BCBG Max Azria perfume. One, because it is one of her absolute favorites, and two, she bought it for me. So, you know, of course it makes me think of her. She's a big time perfume fanatic, so I mean, it just was logical. At the last update, actually this is probably update 2, isn't it? Yeah, I was here at this pink last time. Now I'm at the purple. I'm actually wearing this today. It is a quite lovely scent. It's like fruity and warm at the same time. I just don't know how else to explain it, but I do very much like it. And one thing that I am panning for the next person, which is Paula, because she's a crazy girl, it actually pairs really well. This shower gel from Bath & Body Works. This is the white ginger and amber. I do have some progress on this, though not a ton, because I was originally painting 3 different shower gels when this started. I'm down to 2, and I am working really hard to get the other one done so that I can focus solely on this one. So I was at the pink line, and now I'm at the purple line, and oddly enough, this scent, the white ginger and amber, is the scent of the body spray that Paula chose for me, which I think is hysterical. Not only do we have like the same types of products, we have the same scents, and when we think about each other, we're like on the same page, which is weird. We totally didn't plan it. It just happened that way, and I think it's funny. All right, now for the creator of this project, Liz, or Kooky Pans, I chose the Bare Minerals Blue Moon eyeshadow because this really reminds me of the color of her eyes. This is one of those products that is going to take forever and a day because, one, it's an eyeshadow. It's a loose eyeshadow, which they always take a long time, and it's blue. I love you, Liz. I do, girlfriend, but blue eyeshadow. So if I was going to possibly do a usage, this might be one of those products where I pick X number of uses. Let me know what you think down there. If you think I should go to uses, let me know how many you think I should do. So, moving on to the next product. This is for my girl Dana, who I also talk to every single day. She is eyeshadow junkie at heart on Instagram. She's only on Instagram, much like Liz. And I chose this Urban Decay, pardon me, Vice Special Effects. It's technically a lip topper, but I use it for my eyes. And I chose this because she does the most amazing colorful eye looks, and she loves Urban Decay, and she does like pretty sparkly looks sometimes and bold looks, which I absolutely adore. So this makes me think of her, and this one is hard to show progress on. I mean, I kind of have a window in it. I don't know if it's going to show up, but there's a ton of product up here and there's a ton of product down there. So even though there's a window, I think it's just from trying to get product on the wand, and I think that's the only place that there's any kind of air in there. So this would be another one that I could possibly do a usage goal for if I wanted to switch. And again, put it down there if you think that would work for that one as well. All right, the next one is one that I fully intend to finish. This is from my girl Brandy. I talk to her every day too. We have like a little chat that we, like a bunch of us we just talk. We like each other for some reason. There is like an ongoing joke between Bath & Body Works lotions, her and Amanda, and that is why I chose this. Amanda and Brandy, they know. So this is the Fresh Ginger Lime, which actually goes with the other shower gel that I'm trying to finish. So I was here at this pink line last update. I am down here at the purple. When I was working on this for the past month, I was working on 2 different lotions. This is my priority now. I do think it's going to go quicker. If I am not done this by the next update, it's going to be really darn close because the weather's getting colder. My skin is getting drier. I'm noticing that I'm getting like cracks in my hands. That is how I know that it's time to pretty much bathe in lotion. So that one, I don't even need to worry about uses. That one's going to get done. All right, Alex or Alejandro Lisette. I chose, where is it? It rolled away. Where did it go? I've lost my product for her. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to edit. I hate to edit, but I'm gonna have to edit this. Figures, I accidentally put it away thinking, I'm done with it. Move on. No, I'm not done with it. I may have used it and been done with it in the whole makeup and getting ready process, but I'm not done with it right now. I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess. I've been doing online schooling all day. All right. So this is for Alex because she is the queen of panning lip liners. And this is the Revlon Time Liner for lips in Very Mauve. And I actually had to sharpen it. It made me very excited. You can see my progress lines right here where I started and the much darker line where I am right now. I could line it up. It's not going to be pretty, but yeah, that's where I am right now. And as long as I have like similar progress throughout the months, I'm going to be happy. I'll eventually get it done. I was panning pretty hardcore another lip liner, and I was working on 3 different ones. Now I'm only working on 2. It's going to get more progress, I think, but that is one that I probably won't do uses on just because I think I can finish it in a reasonable amount of time, because once one of the lip liners that I'm working on is done, and it probably will be within the next month or so, then, I'm only working on that one, and I think I can do it. All right, so moving on to Nona. my so-called life. Nona's my girl. And I love her, and I love this product, but this is another one that I'm thinking I might need to do uses on. This is from the ColourPop Honey Palette. This is Palooza. I did repress it because it was just getting too crumbly. I had to add some oil into it. And if anyone has used ColourPop glitters, you know a very, very, very little bit goes a very long way. And this is going to take me like 100 years to finish. So I'm thinking that I'm leaning towards a usage goal on this as well. If you agree, let me know down below and tell me how many uses you think I should do. All right, the next ones I think I will probably be able to finish for Amber F. Because, you know, she is the panning queen. Miss Pan that palette herself. I chose from Naked 2. This is Tease. Doesn't have a ton of usage yet, but you can probably see that I have started working here in the center. It is going to take me a while, but it is a color that I feel is really easy to use, and I probably will be able to multitask this some. So I don't know if I want to finish it or not. Maybe just hit pan. I don't want to do a usage goal. I know I don't want to do a usage goal. I kind of want to do like a minimum. There's a dog here floating. A minimum of at least hit pan. So let me know what you think down below. I really need to get better with setting my goals in the beginning of a project. My girl Claire Elizabeth, that's what her name is here on YouTube, and I'm trying to remember Savvy, and then there's some numbers behind it. I think it's her birth year, and I cannot remember. So it's going to be down there. You know it's going to be down there. This reminds me of her, not because she's like into pink eyeshadows or anything. She's got a lot of lovely colors, but because we did a project that was just the two of us called Across the Pond, where we basically were trying to pan or, you know, hit goals on products that were like the same type of products, but each from our native country. So that's what this is from. This is Coastal Scents, light pink. And our goal in that project was to hit pan. My goal in this one is definitely to finish it. I love this on the lid, and I love it for my inner corners. And even if it stays in for 6 months before I can finish it, I do want to finish this one. And last, but certainly not least, this is Rebeca, aka Panning and Stuff. The queen of lip products, except for this year. She said she's not doing quite as well with lip products this year, but prior to the insanity that is 2020, she would blow through her lip products. She's amazing, and so I thought of her when I was looking at adding a lip product in. This is from the Jane Iredale palette. I could do it to just hit pan, but I think I just want to use this up and get it done because it's been hanging out a bit. And lip products, I do pretty decent with lip products as long as it's not like a bullet lipstick, and certainly not a liquid lipstick. But I mean, I do balms and glosses and stuff, and this, even though it's technically a lipstick, it is somewhere between the texture of a balm gloss kind of lipstick. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it's like a sheer lipstick. That's the best way to describe it. And I think I can finish it. I think it'll be just fine. All right, so that is my update. Not as exciting as I would like, but I do believe I might be able to get this lotion done for next time. And if that's the case, I already have people, like I have a list of people that I'm going to be adding into this project. I haven't picked products for any of them yet, but I do have a list. Like I have a long list of people that are coming up. So if I have not picked your favorite panner, there is a good possibility that they are on my upcoming list. And I could probably do this project for the next 10 years and never duplicate panners because there's so many good ones out there to watch. And if there's some that you think that I should check out, if I haven't already checked them out, put it down there below because I'm always looking for new panners, new inspiration, what have you. All right. I'm going to wrap this up. Check out everyone down below if you want to. And if you want to join in, feel free because the more the merrier. That's what I believe anyway. And I know Liz was okay with people joining in because, you know, that's kind of the whole point of this project. So if you want to join in, by all means do it. And let me know if you're going to join in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.